Welcome to the London Stock Exchange. Can you feel it? The buzz of energy just before the market opens. Feels like the whole city is waiting. We love this moment. For most people, when they think of this place, they think of share prices. All those green and red numbers scrolling around the building. But behind those numbers, there are other deeper values that are just as important. The value of delivery, from media to medicines, from technology to tea. Capital markets help finance the products and services that we use every day. The value of innovation, from vaccines to batteries, breakthroughs don't come cheap. We connect great ideas to capital, helping to build a better future for everybody. And values like trust. For 300 years, trust has been at the heart of every transaction in this city. It still is. Hence our motto, our word is our bond. Today and every day, these are the values behind the numbers. And they're the reason that we're able to bring you moments like this. It's only seconds away now. Everyone is holding their breath. Let's not keep them waiting. It's time to hit the button and open London's market.
Princes was created over 140 years ago here in Liverpool in Princes Dock. We started by importing tinned lobster from Canada. The business has grown massively since then. We're now one of the UK and indeed Europe's biggest producers of food and beverages. And we make almost everything that we sell in one of our fantastic factories.
In the last 20 years, we acquired 20 companies, so we have a proven M&A track record, of which the most important has been Princes that we acquired last year.
We're really proud of our role at Princes in feeding the nation. And fundamental to us is the fact that we are both ethically and sustainably sourcing those products.
We have the biggest factory in Europe for tomatoes, so we are really big and really strong. We can produce around 300,000 tons per year of tomatoes. Now the group has 23 manufacturing sites, of which 10 in the UK, 11 in Europe and 2 in the beautiful island of Mauritius. We produce canned foods, tuna, tomato, pasta, oil, baby food, drinks and ready meals, and we sell our products to more than 60 countries around the world.
We work directly with our farmers and growers to make sure that we are getting the ingredients at the peak of their quality, and we're packing them into our products when, they are the most tasty they possibly can be. Working with our panel of 30,000 consumers, we test our products at every single stage of the development process to make sure that they taste amazing and our consumers will love them as much as we do. This really is a great time to be a part of the Princes Group, with the coming together of many amazing brands. So we have a real opportunity to innovate across so many of our different areas.
I'm really looking forward to this IPO because I think it's just another chapter that will enable us to be known and visible for many other groups and shareholders and potential stakeholders.
Princes has a really proud history of growth and innovation, and this IPO on the London Stock Exchange is the next logical step in that growth journey. This will help us fuel our expansion plans that will benefit not only our customers, but also everybody who works here at this great business.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the London Stock Exchange. My name is Julia Hoggett. I'm the CEO of the Exchange. And before I give my formal remarks, I am going to say that this is the first time I've ever come into the Exchange in the morning and high-fived a tin of tuna. We are absolutely delighted to welcome you all here today to celebrate Princes Group's IPO on the London Stock Exchange. I'd like to extend huge congratulations to Angelo Mastrolia and Simon Harrison and the entire team at Princes for making this happen. Today we're celebrating a significant milestone for a company which traces its history back over 140 years. From a starting point, as you've seen on the video, of importing tinned lobster from Canada, Princes Group has grown into a global business built on quality, serving millions of households across the UK and beyond. And of course, we're all familiar with the iconic Princes tuna brand, and I'm thrilled to see so many more of the UK's most loved brands on show here today. Napolina, Branston's, Bachelors, to name but a few. A lot of us have grown up with. At the London Stock Exchange, we pride ourselves on being the world's most international exchange and home to global leaders in the food and beverage sector. So it's an honour to provide a stage for Princes to continue its global growth journey. And that's what our markets are all about: connecting ambitious companies with investors, enabling growth, and helping businesses achieve their full potential. As a renowned category leader across the UK and Europe, and in the food and beverage industry, it's no surprise that Princes is in the spotlight of European capital markets this morning. Indeed, this is the largest IPO by a European company on the London Stock Exchange since March 2021, and one of the top 10 IPOs by capital raised across Europe this year. So very many congratulations. We're also getting a thumbs up from the tuna because I think it's physically impossible to clap. Yes. Markets are ultimately about people and their vision. And I think I've known that from meeting you through the course of this process, and it was very evident on the video as well. And we absolutely want to be the people at the London Stock Exchange who support you on the next stage of your journey. An IPO is just one day in the history of a company. In this regard, a company that's had a history for over 140 years already, and here's to the next 140 years. So, and minimum. There we go. Absolutely. I love the ambition. That is perfect. Now, Angelo, the floor and the balcony is yours.
Thank you very much, everyone. For me, it is a very important day. I believe this is a more emotional day I live in my life because I achieved my dream. When, sorry. I started 21 years ago with this project from a family, small company. My dream is to list the big company in the main market to exist in Europe. This market is the London Stock Exchange. But I believe after these emotional things, I believe from tomorrow or Monday, our big responsibility is to protect all our investors, in particular the individual investors, not the institutional or the Mastrolia family, because we are professional investors. But our commitment to maintain the focus to protect all plus 2,000 people to invest, individual, or small money in our company, this is my concern. I want to have the very strong focus on this commitment. I see also all my management. We have the big responsibility to deliver the good results, not just for bonus, for professional stakeholders, but for all individual investors that believe in our company. Thank you very much.
This is why I love this job, because markets are about people and companies are about people. And I think that's been the best exemplification of it that we could possibly have. So can I just ask you all to give a final round of applause to everybody in Princes Group, Angelo and his family, Simon, for everything that's been achieved and everything that is yet to come. Thank you.
Thank you very much.